check-in of what's going on. I know we're not at Forest School, but this is a little park near us, and I thought we'd have a chat about the sorts of things that we would talk about at Forest School. So the first thing we're looking at today is the cherry tree, and Maddie, if you zoom in on this, this is a beautiful cherry, and at the moment the cherry blossoms are all at different phases and stages due to the different types of cherry. Now the lovely thing about this, if you cup your hands and sniff the cherry blossom, you should smell a smell of almonds. And at the moment the pollinators are really busy doing their bit for all the fruit trees. This is a cherry tree, we can tell by the stripy bark. And if we look on the floor, there's loads of dandelions that have popped out just in the last couple of days. And during the Victorian times, they used to not plant lawns and grow grass, but they used to grow dandelions because they used to eat the leaves in salads, and they used to get the big tap roots and roast them to make coffee. And they used to use the flowers as part of it.
What's this?
It's a bit windy today, so I'm not sure if you can hear what I'm saying, but if we look down this line of silver birch trees, you'll see how different they all are. So there are silver birch trees with very silvery barks, but these are have got very knobbly, gnarly barks. So don't forget, guys, if you've got a wood burning stove, you can collect all the brush from the silver birch tree.
Don't give it to your dog to play with.
But you can make kindling bundles. Leave that, Luca. You can make lovely kindling bundles to start your fires if you've got a wood burning stove or an open fire at home. Little kindling bundles, and you can make a besom broom. Do you remember we used to make those? A broom to sweep all the leaves. I love this silver birch tree. It's got loads of little nooks and crannies where you can hide things. And if we go around the side of it, you've got bird box in the top, but look how many places that you can leave things for other people to find, and nooks and crannies where the insects live and the birds have been pecking away. So this is an amazing habitat for so many different species of plants and insects and small mammals. You see a lot of these growing at the moment, these and very small daffodils called narcissi. Well, these are called grape hyacinths because they look like little bunches of purple grapes, purpley blue grapes, very sweet, but very much a sign of spring. And if you are planting daffodils for next year, guys, just think about daffodils are very poisonous. You should never plant daffodils near your vegetables and fruit if you're planting them in plants. Here we've got some honeysuckle growing. As you can see, it wraps itself all the way round a tree. It needs a tree to be able to climb up and grow. And what happens is it wraps itself around the young tree that's growing, and you'll get an imprint of the honeysuckle all the way around it. Quite beautiful, and they smell amazing in the summer. This is gorse, and it's starting to flower at the moment. Now you've got to be really careful if you come close to this because it's ever so spiky. But again, if you put your fingers around it, your hands around it, and cup it
Carefully.
very carefully and sniff the blossom, you'll find it smells of coconut, which is lovely. But everything is just flowering, budding. It's a really exciting time of the year. If we look out, we're standing right underneath the pine tree, so at the bottom by our feet there are loads of pine cones. So if you want to be a meteorologist, you can put this on your back step or on your windowsill of your kitchen on the outside, and if it's open, that means the weather's going to be really warm and sunny, but if it closes, the weather's going to be rainy and cold. So you could actually do an experiment and compare what the pine cone is saying to what the weather forecast is on the television and see who's right. Something else you can do with the pine cone, and we've done it many times at Forest School, collect your pine cones, and while they're nice and open, you can fill them with peanut butter if you're not allergic to nuts, or lard, or and push some bird seed in there, and you can hang them in the trees or in the bushes in your garden and make a very easy bird feeder, because I think the weather is going to get quite cold. We're not into the depths of spring just yet, so that would really help all the birds that have come back to build their nests. And So you're doing something for the birds as well today. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed our little nature walk, and hope you're enjoying your time at home and in your gardens. Don't forget to look after your trees, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.